Being told everything looks fixed, but still feeling pain can make you question if something was missed. You're told things look fine, but the pain is still there. I'm a shoulder surgeon who helps people understand shoulder pain and recovery. This is one of the more confusing situations people run into. You've had imaging or surgery, but the pain hasn't gone away. You've been told structurally things look okay, but the pain is still there. That disconnect can be frustrating and start to create doubt. Pain without clear answers can create doubt and confusion. The natural reaction is to assume pain must mean something is still wrong structurally, that there must be damage or something that hasn't healed correctly. We often assume pain directly reflects structural damage, but pain does not always follow that kind of simple mechanical explanation. The shoulder is more than structure. It involves movement and sensitivity. The shoulder is not just a structure, it is a system that includes sensitivity, movement patterns, inflammation, and how your body processes signals. The shoulder is a system, not just a structure. Even when something has healed or been repaired, the system itself can still be reactive. That means pain can continue without new damage. Pain can persist even when healing has already occurred. This is where confusion comes in. People expect pain to match imaging or what was addressed during surgery, but that does not always happen. Imaging results and pain do not always align. You can have a good scan and still feel discomfort. You can have a successful surgery and still feel unsettled. A good scan does not guarantee a pain-free experience. That does not automatically mean something was missed. The shoulder may still be sensitive and adapting after treatment. Often, it means the shoulder is still in a phase where it is sensitive, guarded, or adapting. Sensitivity can show up as lingering pain during normal movement. That sensitivity can show up as pain with certain movements, positions, or even after relatively small activities. Even simple daily movements can trigger discomfort temporarily. Another part of this is expectation. When something is labeled fixed, it is easy to assume pain should go away quickly. Fixed does not always mean immediate relief from pain. When that doesn't happen, it can feel like the outcome doesn't match what you were told to expect. That mismatch between expectation and experience creates frustration. In reality, pain often lingers longer than people anticipate. Even when things are progressing normally underneath the surface, pain can last longer, even when recovery is on track. This does not mean pain should be ignored. It just means pain alone is not always a reliable indicator of structural damage. Pain is one signal, not the full picture of recovery. What helps is shifting away from the idea that pain always means something is wrong and toward understanding ongoing sensitivity. Understanding sensitivity can reduce fear around normal recovery sensations. That shift can reduce the mental strain that comes from trying to interpret every sensation. Most people don't mess up their recovery because they're careless. They mess it up because no one told them what's normal. Don't guess. Download the shoulder recovery guide below. See you next week.